Welcome to GCCars, and my name is Eric, and today we're gonna take a city POV test drive in this 2022 Honda Civic Sedan. This is the top spec trim. This is the Touring trim, to be precise. And of course, on your right hand side, you can see all your stats about this specific Civic Sedan. Right now, in this POV test drive, we're just gonna drive it through the city here of Toronto. It's late at night, so it won't be too busy, but we're gonna just test how smooth the drivetrain is here in a little bit more of slow speed scenarios and go through a few drive modes. But of course, if you want to hear all my thoughts with this 2022 Honda Civic, click in the top right hand corner for my full review. We talk about the exterior, the interior, we drive it, and we compare it to the competition. With that being said, let's go hop on in and drive. Just a quick look at the interior. Pretty good for the price, I think. But during these POV test drives, I don't want to give you too much of an opinion. It's more for you to gain an understanding and kind of see and hear for yourself how it is to drive the Civic. So I will be quiet for quite a bit of the time. So just enjoy the ride. I'll occasionally chime in. Heated seats and the heated steering wheel though. And we're gonna do a bit of an acceleration run here in a second once we hit the main road. Everything is time coded at the bottom of the video, by the way, so if you want to go skip to a specific part, it's right there. Not gonna do the acceleration run now because I don't want to just blast by other traffic. Would be kind of rude. But we're gonna do this in a full review. We have like a full-on launch where we test the acceleration and different kinds of scenarios. So yeah, just check that out if you're interested in performance. I can still put it into sport though and see what happens. And instantly the RPMs go higher. Of course, it's not a downshift because we have the CVT in here. We can even downshift ourselves. Downshift. And shift up and shift up. Pretty neat. Let's go back into regular driving. Of course, very smooth here with the CVT. Not having to shift any gears is very beneficial in these kinds of scenarios. I have a lot of different speeds, a lot of braking, a lot of accelerating. can also put it into eco, although everything eco does is just kind of like puts a sponge under your gas pedal. Just makes everything a little less responsive. I never use these because essentially you can just give it less input and you have the same result than this. So yeah, I don't like these. But hey, if you want to use them, they're there. This might have been the quickest we've ever driven this route because we've been so lucky with the traffic signals. Like every single one was green or turned green within like 5 seconds. Okay, but that concludes our city POV test drive here in the 2022 Honda Civic Touring. Let's take a, there we go, another brief look at the exterior. And like I said, if you want to hear my full thoughts, click in the summary on your screen right now for my full review. And we have 2 more POV test drives, and in general, we upload videos about cars, car reviews, POV test drives every single week. So yeah, if you like cars, if you like car content, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell because you get free videos, and the more subscribers I have, the cooler and more recent the cars I can give you. Anyhow, thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked the video, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.